Our project is Automated Agriculture Assistant Rover. Myself Avinash and my teammates are Dinesh, Kumar, Dinesh and Giridharan, and our guide is Dr. Padmavathi. We are from RMD Engineering College. The project is aimed to assist farmers with agriculture while conserving valuable resources. An automated rover powered with an intelligent algorithm is designed. Receiving values from multiple sensors placed in the field, the rovers will automatically reach a specific area in the field that needs attention. The rover can also be used for agricultural activities like irrigation, fertilization, etc. while conserving the resources. A mobile app provided for the user to monitor the parameters of their field from a remote place. For example, the rover checks for the macronutrients in the soil and fertilizes a specific area in the field that requires the nutrients automatically. The sensor grid is formed using moisture sensors and it transmits the values to the ESP32. The ESP32 then transmits the value to the cloud and the radio transmitter simultaneously. The radio transceiver in the ESP32 transmits the values to the radio transceiver in the Arduino. The Arduino controls the rover activation unit based on the values received, which then controls the parameters of the field. The rover calibration unit helps to calibrate the position of the rover in the field. The value sent to the cloud is then displayed in the user-friendly mobile application for users' reference. The user can also control the rover using the mobile application. Advantages over existing systems. Existing systems are implemented only for specific processes. The proposed project can perform multiple agricultural processes. Existing irrigation systems use a centralized algorithm, which in case of this project, it monitors specific areas in the field individually, which reduces the water and other resources usage to significant amount. The proposed system is mobile, which also helps in keeping out birds and other pests, which is not possible in the prevailing stationary systems. Let's see the project demo.
Agriculture, which provides food for the world, has been facing many difficulties in the past years due to multiple reasons like drought, natural calamities, improper use of available resources, etc. Farmers have also been adapting to new modern agricultural practices with the help of technology to overcome such difficulties. Yet some of the hardships of agriculture are still prevailing. One of the such prevailing obstacles are conserving the available resources as much as possible. Our project Automated Agriculture Assistant Rover helps with conserving the resources without compromising with the quality of the crops but providing a much better yield. In our project, we monitor the various parameters of the field like moisture content of the soil, fertilizer content of the soil, etc. using various sensors. The field is divided into multiple cells, forming a grid for more accurate sensing so that we can prevent wastage of resources. In this video, we have assumed 4 cells in the field and have kept 4 plants resembling the 4 cells. The sensors collect the values from the field and transmit it to the rover and the user-friendly mobile application developed. We have kept a threshold value of 50% moisture and a maximum value of 60% moisture for the plant. The sensor detects the value which can be viewed by the user through the app. The plants 1 and 2 doesn't have enough moisture content while 3 and 4 are in a moistured state. Now the rover automatically reaches the cell 1 and actuates a pump which will be attached to a sprinkler head so that it sprinkles water all over the cell 1. In our prototype, instead of a pump, we have actuated a motor which is similar to a pump. We watered the plant 1, thus increasing the moisture content of the cell 1, which can be seen through the app. After watering, the cell 1 reached the value of 61% of moisture. So the rover now moves to the cell 2, which still have to be watered. After watering the cell 2, the rover is called back to the ideal position, which has been set by us as cell 3. The app and the algorithm can also be used for fertilization too. The main advantages of this project is that due to dividing the field into multiple cells, resources can be used very accurately and wastages will be very less. The user can monitor the field remotely using the mobile application. The yield will be greatly improved due to the perfect monitoring and control of parameters of the field. The moving rover can also be used to drive away pests and insects. Agriculture, being known as the backbone of India, must be revived from the difficult situation for the good of the country, and our motive is to help the struggling people with technology. Thank you.